This is that Rajma seedling which had appeared out of sudden, and it's growing, it's healthy. Tulsi, I've been trimming it a bit for healthy leaf growth. The basil is doing pretty well. I've been trimming this too. And this is the curry patta plant. The growth is okay. I'll have to repot it. I don't know what plant this is. Again, tomato has been growing. Not too well. I'll show you the other tomato. Jamun also grew, got some height. That's another basil over there. And this is one watermelon. And इसमें फूल भी आया था. See, you can see here. These are male flowers which are coming. After that, the female flowers will appear. And this is tomato. Look at the height. It's beautiful. But seems like leaf has got some disease. I'll have to remediate. This is chili, grown pretty well. It has buds all over and flowering bhi ho rahi hai. And you can see that Sadabahar, which was little, has now got its own flower, and there are two more buds set out to bloom. And that's also chili, which I repotted. This is watermelon, good growth, and it has chilies all over. I'll have to repot the chilies for sure because watermelon in chile nahi dega. Then these are all chilies which I haven't repotted because of laziness. Sadabahar here, and this is brinjal. I don't know if this will grow into a fruit or not. And the basil is doing well again. Now, inside my greenhouse we have tomato, which is growing pretty well. The height it has reached is really awesome. And I've been adding eggshells also. You can see eggshell aaj hi dale the maine. This is Kia Tori, I don't know, but the growth is really nice. And this is again brinjal. That is Karela. Something happened to my mango tree. Unfortunately, it couldn't grow well. We had to take out that graft, and now we are waiting for normal leaves. These are my muskmelons, growing really well. Look at the height they have reached. I'm waiting for flowers on them. And these are my upside down gardening examples, flowering really well. This is again muskmelon, two in a pot, doing well, and they got flowers. You can see they have been plugged. This is another muskmelon with a flower, and it has taken over my Karela plant. Look at my Karela plant. And here another baby muskmelon in a muesli's bag, doing well. This is bhindi. I'll show you other bhindis also. These are two Karelas, and those are muskmelon buds. Okay, come here. Croton's doing well. Sadabahar also baharing like usual. And these are bhindis. And this I have named Nazar Vattu plant because see, there is lemon, and there are two chilies. And look at this. Sadabahar has done what it does best, reproduce. And finally ending the video with a little harvest. We've got bhindis, and early morning these flowers bloom. And let's just pluck one. Ow!